What if your coworker didn't eat, sleep, or even take a coffee break? What if your shirt was steamed, your lunch made, and your office cleaned by a humanoid robot? In China, that future isn't decades away. It's happening right now. Welcome to the front lines of the humanoid revolution, where robots aren't just gadgets. They're gearing up to reshape our entire world.
On the outskirts of Shanghai, a quiet revolution is underway. Dozens of humanoid robots are hard at work steaming shirts, making sandwiches, even dressing themselves. But this isn't some science fiction movie. It's a data lab run by a Chinese startup named Ajibot. Ajibot is part of China's massive push to lead the global humanoid revolution, a movement set to transform how we live, work, and play.
We want to use general-purpose robots to create unlimited productivity. Just imagine like one day in our own robot factory, our robots are assembling themselves.
This isn't fantasy, it's China's long-term national strategy, boosted by AI, government funding, and a rapidly aging population. Even President Xi Jinping has inspected Ajibot's creations, signaling high-level commitment. Today's humanoids are performing incredible feats, like somersaults and long-distance runs, and thanks to AI platforms like DeepSeek, they're becoming smarter and more useful. For the first time, Reuters reveals how China's cutting-edge hardware is now matched by powerful software. The result? Robots that aren't just cool to watch, they're economically viable. Over $20 billion has been funneled into humanoid robotics in just the past year, and the government isn't just investing, it's buying. Procurement of humanoids and related tech surged from 4.7 million yuan in 2023 to 214 million in 2024. In 2024 alone, 31 Chinese firms unveiled 36 competing humanoid models. In contrast, US companies revealed just 8. China's biggest edge, it dominates the hardware game. Up to 90% of robot parts are made locally. That means fast scaling and lower prices. Current bots cost around $35,000, but that could halve within a year.
That humanoid robotics can be the next EV industry, where by investing in the entire manufacturing supply chain, you can come up with a product that is better, cheaper, and globally exportable from China.
But there's a downside. Experts warn that up to 70% of China's manufacturing jobs could be threatened. Less work means fewer social security contributions and more economic pressure. Some leaders propose solutions, like robot-driven unemployment insurance. Others say these robots will focus on the dull, dirty, or dangerous jobs that humans don't want to do. With an aging population of 1.4 billion, China sees humanoids not as a threat, but as a solution to labor shortages and a way to remain a manufacturing superpower. From spectacle to solution, the age of the humanoid worker is here.